Hey guys, it's going to be torquing down the stator here. Going to set this to 8 pounds. This is a westward torque bar wrench. Basically you're just turning this. So here I'm hitting 5 at 0, 6, 7, one more, 8. I'm in line with this. So that's 8. Got a big snowstorm coming in here. See, we're getting quite a bit of snow, and you want to come take a look outside?
Can't see.
Definitely getting some snow, so that means you got to get this snowmobile together and running.
Yeah.
You might have a big one. So it's set to 8 pounds. Here on top, this is a lock, so it doesn't move. Turn it all the way to the right. That's locked. How it works is it clicks when it's ready. So I'm gonna torque it. I got a click. I know I'm at 8 pounds. 8. I got a click. I know I'm there. I go around once just to make sure. So I know I'm at 8 pounds. It's clicked multiple times. Always always take the pressure. Oops, take the pressure off so the spring doesn't have tension on it. So here, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put it all back together, and hopefully we get some more snow.